A very happy day. Welcome back to Tarot Vibes. This is Pooja Jain here, and today we are going to do month of March reading. So we'll go according to the sunshine wise. So before we start, I'll also let you know that I teach tarot cards and I also take personal readings. So if you are looking for some personal readings, please do get in touch with the given number. And let's start the reading sunshine wise. So the very first sunshine is Aries. So month of March for Aries goes like this. So you will be financially very sufficient this month, but you will also be worried of how to use your finance or what do you do with the money you have. Don't let pride get in your way is your other card. So I suggest please if you have to ask for help, please ask for it. If you have to do something, please do it. Don't hold on to your ego or don't hold on to your pride and give it up telling that's okay if I'm not doing. So don't be too egoistic or don't have too much of pride in doing something which you have to do. So that's the other card for Aries. Next one is for Taurus. So people the people from Taurus, your month of March looks like a very slow move towards finance. So income or source of finance or finance in the month of March, the inflow is very slow. I would ask you to not postpone things and do it right then and there, so that it is going to help you more in getting the finance. So stop postponing things, be it for finance or for relationship or whatever decisions you have to take, please take. Don't keep postponing things. Your hard work is paying is the other card. So whatever hard work you've done in the past will be paid in this month. So this month is going to be fruitified by the work you've done in the past. So that was for Taurus. Next is for Gemini. So people from the sunshine Gemini, this month is financially good. So all finance cards are coming, I guess, as it's year end. Financial year end. So I guess too much of finance involved everywhere. So this is for Gemini. People from Gemini, you will have a good flow of income through your lady luck. So if you have a lady luck, then through her might be you get business or you get some monetary gains. As well as if you are a lady, then you will be ruling financially this month. Your commitment is being tested is your other card. So whatever commitment you had made somewhere or to somebody, that will be tested again. So I guess you need to just prove yourself right once again. If your commitments or if you said somebody that you'll be doing things and you're not doing it, so please keep your words and go ahead and do it. So that was for Gemini. Next is for Cancer. So people from the sunshine Cancer, you will be stressed this month, though people are waiting for your answers or people are waiting or ready to help you. Still you will be like, no, you don't need help, or you'll just be worried and worried for no reason, whereas people are ready to offer you help. Your problem has a solution, it has everything, but you're just stressed and you don't want to listen to anything or anybody. So please give yourself some time. Nothing will come out of this situation is the other card. So whatever thing you're worried of, it's not going to happen anyway. So I'd suggest you to stop worrying and go ahead and ask for help or seek your solution, because the problem is not that big as you're contemplating in your mind. So that card was for Cancer. Next is for Leo. So people born in Leo, this month is going to give you some new ideas, some new plans in your mind. So you will have, if you have any new ideas to implement and go ahead, I'll suggest you to please do it. This is a good time for you. Excuse. Next card is Surrender to the Divine. So this month is also suggesting you to just surrender yourself to divine, or surrender yourself to the higher supreme power, whomever you believe in, your God or your favorite God, whatever it is. Just give yourself some time with the divine, so that you will have that peace of mind, or you will have those things fixed before doing whatever things you thought of. So there's a new idea, new travel plan also coming up for you. So that new idea, whatever it is, you want to implement it or start it, please do it. This month is the right thing for you. So that was for Leo. The next one is for Virgo. So people born in Virgo, people with the sunshine of Virgo, too much of hard work you will have, too much of pressurizing on you. So you'll have work pressure too much, or people around you pressurizing for the work. So you will have to take so much of extra burdens or extra work. So I'd suggest you, if you're not interested in doing and you're doing it just for pleasing people or something, then I'll suggest you not to do it, because it's only going to stress you and there is no result for it. Fiercely climax approaches is your other card. So something of what you've thought already or what you've been thinking that you hoped for it to end, it might end in this month for you. So month of March brings Virgo. It's a happy end or something which you want to end. So next one is for Libra. So people from Libra, you will have a little financial issue in this month, little health issues as well. So you will have to invest on health, is the card basically. So if you will have, you're going to have some health issues in this month. So if you have, there are chances that you need to spend your finance. You can't just sit at home and get cured. You need to spend your money to the doctors or on the medical thing. So only then it will be cured. So take care of your health is what I can suggest you. It's time to release negativity. So I guess your negative aura has gone really high, or negativity around you has gone too high, because of which you might fall ill. So clear your negativity, get positive, get your aura cleansed and stay positive. That way it's going to help you more and will make you spend less on your health. So that was for Libra. Next is for Scorpios. So Scorpions, here it is. For Scorpions, there's a new emotional beginning in the card. So you might have a new relationship coming up, or the old one getting closed on the old relationship which got closed on a bad note might restart again. So there are 100% chances of someone new coming to your life. So if you're single, just look around, you might find somebody new coming in your life. You're very close to achieving your goal is the other card. So whatever you thought of, whatever goals you had, or whatever decisions you have made, you're very close to achieve it. Don't let yourself go because you're tired, or don't let yourself down from it. Little more to go and you will achieve what you dreamt of. So that card was for Scorpions. Next is for Sagittarians. So people with the sunshine Sagittarian, you will meet your love of your life or the partner you're thinking of. So if it is in case of business, you'll be meeting a business partner soon. If it is in case of relationship, you will find that guy whom you might fall for, or you will find that girl for whom you might fall for. So this is a card where you will get some good relationship, but not kind of a committed one. It's time to take action is the other card. So whatever you're planning for, or whatever is going in your mind from past few months, it's time that you put that in action and start helping yourself out, or start working on it, so that it's gonna get fruitified this month. The next one is for Capricorn. So people born in with the sunshine of Capricorn, loads of hard work seen, but there is also result for the same. But hard work is too much, might be to tire you physically, or you will have too much of strain mentally and physically. So yes, there is a lot of hard work, but this hard work also brings you good result with it. A personal issue reaches its resolution. So whatever personal issues you have got will solve this month. So whatever issues with your relationship or friends or family will be sorted by this month. So that was for Capricorns. Next is for Aquarius. So people born in Aquarius, you are expecting too much out of something, whereas all your hands are already full with work, already full with the things what you want, but you're expecting more and more, whereas you don't have empty hands to receive the same. So I suggest you to stop expecting too much or being greedy. look at what you have and stay satisfied with it, or leave some things and then expect the new one. You can't hold all the things together in one hand. So the next one is believe in impossible. So if you're thinking it is impossible for you, I mean it is not possible for you to stay out of things, then I would suggest you to please, there are chances that if you want to do new things, you have to let go of few old things. If you can just check around, might be it is possible for you to fix things. So stop being greedy or stop expecting too much and fix yourself or fit yourself in the current situation, is what I can tell for Aquarius. The next and the last sunshine is Pisces. So people from the sunshine Pisces, there is a new financial start. So might be you start a new business, or you get a new career, or there is a new source of finance for you. So this month is going to be financially really good for you. It will be like more than what you've expected. Look at the bigger picture is the other card. So whatever you're thinking right now is for right now, this moment. But if you're taking some decision today, also think of what's going to happen in the future, of the impact of the decision you make today, what's it going to happen in the future. So think bigger, think of your future, think whatever you're thinking, think double of the same, and think how it's going to help you in the future. So if you think of the bigger picture while making decisions, that will help you or get you more gains. So these are sunshine wise reading for the month of March for all the sunshines. So thank you for watching, and I also do personal consultations. I also sell tarot cards. Those are like miniature tarot cards. So if somebody is looking for buying tarot cards and finding it really high price in the market, I sell the same Rider-Waite deck in a miniature form, that's like a 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter deck, so you can measure on the scale. So those are really miniature, small ones. So if you just need, you can message me or WhatsApp me on the number given. So the charges will be said you on the WhatsApp, will be said to you on the WhatsApp. So thank you for watching this video. Have a happy day and a happy month.